In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize bullet points in Squarespace. Whether you want to add a personal touch to your website's design or improve overall readability, tweaking bullet points is a small but powerful way to make your content stand out. Let's walk through the process together step by step. First, log into your Squarespace account, head over to the Squarespace website and click the Login button. This will bring you to your account dashboard. If you prefer convenience, you can also use the Continue with Google option for a faster sign-in as long as your Google account is linked. Once you're logged in, select the specific website you want to work on. This will take you to your site's dashboard where all your customization tools are located. From here, navigate to the Pages section. This is where you'll find your site's structure and content laid out clearly. Next, look for the Website Tools option. Inside this menu, you'll see several different features that let you refine and customize your site. For today's task, we're focusing on the Custom S section. Go ahead and click on that to open the CSS editor. Now comes the fun, creative part. In the CSS editor, you can write your own code to change the appearance of bullet points on your site. For example, you could swap out the default dots for unique symbols, change the color of the bullets to match your brand palette, adjust the size or spacing so they look cleaner and easier to read. Here's a quick example. You might try ulle.marker ish color F6600 Tonge bullet color font size 1.2 make bullets slightly bigger. This is just one simple snippet, but even small changes like this can make your lists look more polished and on brand. Once you've typed in your custom CSS, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial. It finalizes your changes. After saving, preview your site to see the new look in action. If something doesn't look quite right, no worries. You can always come back and tweak your code until it feels perfect. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've successfully customized the bullet points on your Squarespace site. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in your site's overall design and user experience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what other Squarespace tips you'd like me to cover next. Happy customizing!